Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of kicking you out on Pinterest. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of kicking you out on Pinterest, we click on settings. In this page, you can search about the application of Pinterest. Here and above like this, we'll write Pinterest app and you can click. Here you can go to first stop and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can cause the errors that can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. See you next time in another video.